Christmas is about bringing joy and happiness to your loved ones. Danes like to spoil each other with presents and surprises, and they do so through all of December. Therefore, in December, many Danish families give their children Christmas calendars with chocolate or small presents every day, or for the 4 Sundays of Advent. Danes even have a special Christmas lottery calendar where you can win extra cash to make the month of Christmas even sweeter. Many Danes also gather around the TV to watch the annual Christmas calendar, a special Christmas series of 24 episodes airing daily until Christmas. Learn more about Danes and Danish culture at worklivesday.com. We wish you a Merry Christmas. In Danish, vi ønsker dig en rigtig glædelig jul.